Hello, welcome to Celebrity for Life TV, my people. The person one una dey see for here na Mike Ezuronye, na Nollywood actor. The guy dey act film, he don act plenty film for Nigeria, na Nigeria celebrity wey dey act film. So some time ago, social media don dey carry her matter say they say him na 419, say him don dey scam people for abroad, all these old sugar mommy dem wey dey find husband by all means, so and they want to marry celebrity by all means. So some kind all those yahoo boys dem dey come dey use Mike picture come go dey form say na Mike na im dey talk to them, or some of them wey be say e be like say dem remove their sense, dem no get sense again o, because of say dem see say na celebrity na Mike Ezuronye, and dem start to dey do anyhow with dem o. Before you know, dem carry money give the Mike Ezuronye person when e dey impersonate am o. So people come dey carry rumour say na Mike, na Mike, na Mike. So Mike, even number two thing when dem come talk say Mike say dem arrest Mike for UK, say because say in yahoo somebody €700, €7,000. So Mike now don come debunk the rumour, say dem no arrest am o. Say in fact, e say all those women wey be say dem no know themselves, wey be say dem even senior im mama, wey dem go dey play with all these small small boys for, because of say dem want to friend celebrity. Somebody go just come when una dey do the thing, when una dey friend dey do, you no remember to find out whether na the actual person, you carry your money go give the person. So he say he don report this matter to Olokpa o. As he report this matter to Olokpa, even FBI, all of them dey try to help am make sure say dem find out, dem fish out the person o, because that account no be him get am. Say no be him o, say him no dey do that kind thing. He say make everybody dey very very careful. And this thing wey be say Mike Ezuronye dey talk na really true o, because most of all these yahoo boys, na wetin dem dey do, dem go carry actors, all these Nollywood producer, all those Nollywood actor and actress, dem go come form say na dem o. Before you know, dem go start to dey chat with you, dey talk that kind thing. E full everywhere na today. Na today we dey see that kind thing. So I no know why e be say somebody go just come dey accuse Mike Ezuronye say he dagbora. Mike Ezuronye no be that kind of person na. And no be even only Mike dem dey use, dem don use different actors, like all these dem Jim Iyke, even dem don use Ramsey Nouah. So all those one na something wey be say everybody know now. I no know why be say somebody go just allow themselves to be used like that. Although all these oyibo women wey be say dem no get sense at times, na so dem dey do, dem go just dey do anyhow, dey find man by all means. And when you see the man, say you no go say okay, make you do video call with the person, make you know whether na real human being na you with am dey talk. Some of the way wey be say you go take know say this person wey be say e dey talk to you na dagbo. Now you go tell the person say okay, make una do video call. If the person no gree do video call with you, make you know say yes, that person na dagbo, na wayo. Once you dey chat with all those kind of people, tell am say make una do video call. Na that one na you go take know who you dey talk with. Once he just decline, he say he no go do that video call, just forget it. Make you know say na dagbo the person wan dagbo you. The person wan just eat your money run. So na the thing wey be say Mike Ezuronye find himself o. And the worst part of it be say this Nollywood industry be like say dem get some kind clique among themselves. Some of them dey even dey jealous themselves, because according to report, dem say when somebody even post this thing, say Mike dagbora, one of the Nollywood producer sef come even repost am again. Something wey you know say this thing get as e be, when you know say you be actor, if you repost this thing, people, mostly your fans, dem go believe say your colleague na so like this e be. You can't get mind go post am. So the thing no too good. Before you go, if person post something say your colleague na dagbo, na 419, you go verify am. You go make sure say you at least you get the level of trust wey be say you supposed to trust your own colleague before you go come go post am. So that thing wey that actor do, when he come go repost am, say see wetin dem say Mike do, e no good, because e no good at all. E just be like as Genevieve dey now, somebody go come say Genevieve dagbora, then one of the actress na im go come carry this thing come share, give millions of followers. And I know say this actor get millions of followers. Even this Jim Ike sef, e follow get millions of followers. Then when you share those kind of things, those your followers wey be say you see am, they go to say true say yes, Mike Ezeronye na dagbo na yahoo yahoo. E no good. So na so e just be. Then they use people, then they use all these actor, all these musician, all these celebrities, then they use their face say they dagbo the public, the people. It's just that you as a human being, you need to be sharp. If you no sharp, people go fog and mind go whack. Now the truth be that. Now the way be say that they take do that thing. And all those yahoo boys so they do that thing. There be group of yahoo boys so be say they go gather. They fit there for one room. 3 persons go just the dagbo, only one person. They go call you, this one will call you, this one will say talk to my mom. Then sabi change their voice, they go change their voice, everything. They go change their voice to woman voice. You go follow them talk finish. They go even change their accent. You go surprised to say na man na you with and they talk when na woman. And sometimes they go change their voice to woman. So na so it just be. Make all these people where be say then they find online girlfriend and boyfriend where be say that they find by all means. Make them they very careful. They very careful. Once you get anybody like that when you put on the chat where be say you don't say you never know her before. The wise thing for you to do that to tell us, okay, since it be say you want us make we be friends, you want make we dey run parole together, what you go do be say you go just tell the person say, okay, you go like to video call the person. You go like to video call the person. Una know say this computer age where we dey, different means because of the system, the way the system, the different means wey be say that they take the dagbo people dey. So even that's one certain time wey be say one of my Facebook friend, one of my very good friend wey be say I know am very well. I surprised say he got dey promote one investment company. Say make you invest so the person come dey talk to me, dey chat with me, say make I bring money. Say if the thing don't work, say he ready to give me the money back. The way the person dey desperate of me bringing that money, now I say okay, make we do video call because this one wey be say me and you dey chat, I no understand. Now I come say okay, make I do video call with this person, this my friend. Behold, as I dey do the video call, he don dey gree pick. I say pick your call now. Shey you say make I invest money, at least make I see you very well. I call, he don dey gree pick. He come give me one WhatsApp number, say make I take call am. I call the WhatsApp number, I do video call for that WhatsApp. Now another person that they see that I can't tell and say ina ole. Now so he can't take block me. So you have to be wise, you have to be smart. Let me say you go, even if na your sister, then somebody use, they talk to you. You go say, okay, make I call that my sister for video call. That is the easiest way. WhatsApp get video call. Messenger get video call. You go call the person video call. Once the person don't pick, or once the person they dodge in face, me you know say that person at dagbo. Now so that they take no that kind of thing. Why you go just come allow yourself use the dagbo you finish now? You come they say na Mike Ezero. I believe say don't be Mike Ezero. You know do that thing. I believe 100%. Because if you see them, if you see all these yahoo boys, see, they know them now. They know they work. Yahoo boys, they know they work now. They Mike Ezero na actor. From morning till night, this guy there for location, they hustle. So which time content gets to go the dagbo woman? So look that they very careful. Some of them, mostly these our Nigerian women, they will be so that they find boyfriend by all means. Now so it just be by people. Now here I won't stop. Have a nice day. Bye.